Tiffany Eichor was the big sister anyone would be proud to have. She was 4 when her parents brought home triplet girls, and Tiffany became an instant caregiver. And if they ever needed her, she dropped everything and was there.
She was one of the most generous with her time of anyone I've ever known.
She was so gentle, like she wouldn't hurt any person ever.
But she began dating a man who was not gentle, and he beat her so badly it tore her aorta, lacerated her liver, broke her ribs, could have killed her. He was charged in Okmulgee County in October of 2018. He was released on bond, and the judge postponed that case 8 times during the next 8 months. Tiffany was so terrified she filed a protective order and went to stay with her folks at their home in the country in Okmulgee County. But then more court delays, and 3 months after she filed that protective order, she was dead. Tiffany's sisters say that's the first time the justice system failed her.
This is why they're dead. Judges need to be held accountable. And they make these decisions. They're eating at restaurants. They're going to bed with their family. And they're making decisions that kill people. Who is going to hold these judges accountable? Who is going to put them in jail when they make decisions that kill people?
Prosecutors say during all those delays, the man charged with beating Tiffany, Barry Titus, and his attorney, who became his lover, plotted against Tiffany. The attorney, Keegan Harris, was charged with trying to intimidate Tiffany by having someone leave a bag of white powder on her porch. Then September 7th, 2019, 2 people were captured on video going to the home. And not only was Tiffany killed, but so were her parents, Jack and Kaye Chandler.
My family trusted the judicial system, and that is why they are dead.
Jack worked at Kimberly-Clark for 30 years and was highly respected. He was a quiet man, devoted to his 4 girls and his grandchildren.
He'd always just always like kisses on the top of the head. Then, we'd hug him and he'd kisses on the top of the head.
The most fun thing for anyone to do around him is to make him laugh, because he gets so tickled. I mean, just the best laugh you've ever heard.
And Kaye sewed and crocheted for the girls and always had their backs. They were parents you could count on.
They would drive 15 hours to come, no matter what, the drop of a hat.
Nearly 18 months after the killings, murder charges were filed against Titus and Harris in April of 2021. And since then, it's been nothing but delays. These 2 big notebooks contain the legal filings in this case. And these sisters understand suspects have rights and the court process takes time. But 6 years with no trial is beyond comprehension.
The judicial system is showing us that they don't care about our parents and sisters.
And you're sitting in the courtroom with the people that did it. And they're laughing and joking and talking as if nothing matters.
But the lives of these women have been devastated, and they can't even grieve for thinking about the next hearing, the next legal maneuver. It's emotional torture.
There's no such thing as justice when something like this happens.
3 times a trial date has been set. The sisters took off work, made arrangements for their kids, got themselves mentally ready, only to have them canceled and more delays. Now there's no hope of a trial until 2026. And because the suspects are a man and his attorney, this case has been sensationalized, some media even calling it a love triangle.
This isn't a movie. It's real. This is our family. It did happen, and it's not fictional characters.
They find it hard to believe this is even their lives. This is what they talk about. This has been the focus during their kids' growing up years. They just need to get through the trial so they can process it all.
We're the most wonderfully boring family you've ever met. We are so boring. There's nothing to see here, people. Parents who go to work and come home, and everybody sits at the table and has dinner, and we just do regular, normal things. There's no scandal.
Have speeding tickets.
No, there's no scandal going on. I mean, there's no backstory. There's just a regular, boring, plain family